Imagine winding tree-lined streets, beautified by individualized landscapes and lovely pond steps to walking/biking trails around huge nature centers. Is this the lifestyle you crave? A brick ranch townhome-end unit, almost 1,900 square feet, open floor plan, 1-story living. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car attached garage, first floor laundry, gigantic master suite. Partially finished basement. Tons of storage and closet space? Well, it could be yours. The deck faces green space, not your neighbor's window. It is perfectly situated in a cul-de-sac in Country Club Estates of Bloomingdale. Boasting highly rated schools and an amazing location to major expressway arteries, airports, shopping and restaurants. You are covered with an American Home Shield, Shield Plus, home warranty. Well, what are you waiting for?